What's up everyone, welcome back to Air Tactical News, and today's episode we're going to be showing you how to disassemble and clean your M&P shield, so stay tuned. So like I said guys, we're gonna be cleaning our M&P shield. So first thing we're going to do is make sure the gun is safe and clear. So like you can see, there's no magazine over here and there's no bullet in the chambers, nice and clear. So first thing we're gonna do, we're going to lock the slide back, and we're going to depress this level right here on the side of the gun all the way to the bottom. And you're going to slide forward. Now you're going to depress your trigger in order to release the magazine from the body of the gun. Then you're going to remove your spring, then remove your barrel. So today what we're going to be using is shooter lube. I think this is the best product out there in the market. I've been using this product now for quite a few years now. I have used, I don't even know, all kinds of different products, and in my opinion this is the best thing out there. So check the link description on the bottom so you can get a discount on the product. And like I said, this is the best thing you can get out there. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to spray it into our slide, and we're going to spray our barrel outside and on the inside as well. And just get a little brush. You don't need a metal brush, no, plastic one will do it just fine. And just scrub everything inside that slide really good. You want to make sure you get rid of all that excess and all that gunpowder that gets stuck to the gun. This is a nice, quick and easy way to clean your gun. You don't have to spend hours. Obviously I will be making another different video on how to do a deep cleaning, which includes removing the trigger and all kinds of stuff, and the fire pin and everything, but not today. Once you start cleaning your barrel, one of the best, easiest way to do it, once you scrub it up and down, you start spinning your barrel. That way you can get to clean everything at the same time. And before we switch, we're going to spray the inside of the body of the gun. Make sure you get it really good. switch this. Then we're going to clean the inside of the barrel. Now when you do the inside of the barrel, make sure you do it in a circular motion, because I don't know if you can see it through there, but inside the barrel you have the little wedges inside, and you don't want to mess it up, so you want to clean along with those. That's the way the bullet, when the bullet comes out, it comes out in a spinning motion. That's why. Alrighty. We're gonna get a cleaning cloth and start wiping things down. And you want to make sure you do all these edges right here, you get them nice and clean. So you can use a little tip like this or a flat screwdriver. Just don't do it too hard, because obviously you don't want to scratch the body of the gun. Make sure you try to get all the excess as much as possible. Gotta do the inside of the barrel as well. Me personally, I like to cut a little hole in the corner, and I'll show you in a minute why. So what I do, I slit this right through it and loop it right back through it, and it stays right there in place, just like that. Just clean the inside. Now just clean the inside of the body. Try to get everything that as much as you can, because obviously you don't want to leave anything here. And like I said, this is just a quick cleaning, it's not a deep cleaning. When it comes to deep cleaning, we're going to be removing the trigger and everything. This is pretty much to get it clean real quick after going to the range, and that way you can get it back in service real quick. This could be, I don't know if this could be your concealed weapon or the only weapon you have, so you want to make sure you get it back in service quick. So this is just what it is, quick cleaning. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna be using our shoulda loop oil to get it together. Again, like I can't emphasize this anymore longer. This is, I think, the best thing you can find out there. So look it up, shoulda loop. Okay, we're gonna put some over here, a few drops on the slide. Not too much. And you can put a couple drops on your clot and then start sliding through. Make sure also these little edges right here on the inside of the slide, make sure you get oil in there, because that's where you're going to have all the friction with the body and the gun and all the metal friction with each other. So you want to make sure you get that oil real good. And obviously it's easier for me to use this because my sausage fingers won't fit in there, so when you do this, you don't want a lot of oil on it, just whatever is necessary for the gun to operate. Okay, gonna do the inside of the barrel now. I'm gonna apply a few strips on it. And we're gonna do the same thing in a circle motion, back and forward a couple times. There we go. Now you can use this to do the outside as well. And we're gonna put our barrel back in. Obviously, get your spring also as well. You don't have to put any drops on it. Just wipe it with a cloth. It already has the oil on it, and that's more than enough. Put it back in. So make sure you have the flat part over here. This goes towards the barrel. This little tip right here goes to the front, just like this. Now it's in place. Now you want to do the same thing now with the bottom, for the body of the gun. So get a few drops on those metal parts, because that's where you're gonna have a lot of friction. So you're gonna make sure you get all the stuff really good. So now to get it back together, make sure you start on the front of it here, and the back side of the slide. You're gonna put it right there. See, make sure you start over here. You're gonna put it right there. So slide it all the way through and lock it to the rear. Fix it a little, and now it's good. Now you're gonna do a function check. You're gonna depress the trigger. Make sure you're gonna hold the trigger back. Make sure you have that reset is working. And pull it again. And that's it. Nice and easy. Smith & Wesson M&P SHield. And just like that, guys, so like you saw, we have the gun cleaning, the M&P SHield. Very easy. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to like our brothers from Shooter Lube. And thank you for watching. See you next time.